How to make money from home without selling to friends and family. Before I start with this video, I just want to say welcome to my channel. My name is Julia, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Every Wednesday, I post about digital marketing and about my journey with digital marketing. I didn't post anything last week. I was really busy. I'm a mom, I'm a stay-at-home mom of two. And sometimes my schedule changes as my kids get sick or take them to appointments or something goes on in my life. So in today's topic, I will be talking to you guys about how to make money online without selling to friends and family. If you're looking into ways to making money online, a lot of friends and family may be very skeptical or don't know if this is true or don't really understand what you are talking about. And I do social media. I post on every social media platform. Well, I don't know if all of them, but I do post mainly on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That's the social media platforms that I use, and I promote a done-for-you product. This product is already done and ready for me to promote, and I can make 100% profit. And it's available in different languages, in Spanish and many other languages. Sorry, I'm moving the tripod a little. And you don't have to be an expert to be able to make money online, and you don't have to know everything when you start. All you have to do is just get started, and the product will show you pretty much everything. Even if you want to be faceless and you don't want to show your face on your content, you don't have to show your face. And there is training for that so that you can post content without showing your face. And let me tell you something, I have been able to make money online without even selling to friends and family. A lot of my friends and family do follow me on social media, but they do not purchase from me. And that's okay, they don't have to purchase. They are not my perfect customer. My perfect customer is stay-at-home moms or anyone who wants to get out of their comfort zone and who wants to do better, learn a new skill, and learn how to make money online. Sometimes friends and family, they don't want to do that, and that's okay. Supporting, maybe they support by watching your videos, liking and commenting, and that helps too, okay? They don't have to spend money to be able to support you. And I have been doing this for about 13 months now. I signed up in April 2024, but I pretty much started in May 2024. I decided to do something different. I am a very introvert person. People who really know me, they know I am an introvert mom, an introvert person. I grew up being very introvert, so I don't even know why I'm doing digital marketing if I am a huge introvert, but digital marketing has really helped me with my introvert side and really helped me with more confidence, and I can do more than just say I'm an introvert person, you know what I'm saying? Let me tell you how I'm able to do this from the comfort of my home, and all I do is I use my phone and social media. So I post on different social media platforms. Let me tell you what I have. I have Facebook, and this Facebook, I do have a Facebook where I have friends and family, and I do have another Facebook account where I just post about my business. So it's a separate account. I also have Instagram, and I have one page where I post about everything pretty much, and a lot of friends and family follow me there. But I do have a separate account where I just talk about my business. So I try to step away from my friends and family because I know they are not going to purchase, and that's okay. So I just separate my account from them and start posting about my business because I want to reach to my perfect customer, not only to friends and family. I don't want likes or comments or stuff like that. I want to actually make sales. So I do separate accounts for my business. Also TikTok, I do have a TikTok account for my business only, and I have a few accounts. I actually have an English account, I have a Spanish account, and I do have a faceless account. This faceless account, I started it as a challenge because I want to show people that you can make money online without showing your face. So I don't post very consistently on my Faceless account, but I have it there. So I post at least once a week. I try to post there, and so I'm not very active, but I do have that account. The account that I'm most active is on my English and Spanish account. And there is a way that you can make money online without even chasing customers. You have to know the strategy on how to get to your perfect customer. First, you have to discover who is your perfect customer, okay? Once you discover that, obviously, friends and family are not your perfect customer. So you have to discover, for example, I am a mom. I am a stay-at-home mom. So my perfect customer are stay-at-home moms who wants to get out of their comfort zone and who wants to make money online and just don't sacrifice time with their family and be able to make money on their own terms. That is my perfect customer. People like me. And maybe someone is a nurse and they want to get out of that long hour shift and be able to make money from their home so they don't sacrifice more family time. Maybe that's their niche. There's many introverts. If you're an introvert and you want to make money online, don't want to show your face, you can do that as well. And you guys, I recently just started another program. I added it into my business. So now I do have a few programs to offer, and this one has different languages. I was looking for something in Spanish and I finally found it, and I added that into my business page. You guys, if you decide to start digital marketing and you have any questions, I will post a link down in the comment section, and I am ready to help you out get started, and I'm ready to help you even if you need mentorship. I do have a program with mentorship, so let me know if you want to get started and I can give you the mentorship program for free if you decide to start digital marketing with me. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you want to learn more, and let's get you started. Hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye bye. See you next week.